Ever wondered what the blueprint of life looks like? Today, we're going to see DNA from a strawberry with our own eyes. In today's activity, we will learn about the structures inside strawberry cells. We will use simple household solutions to break open the cells. We will extract the DNA and make these tiny molecules visible to the naked eye. Do you know that one strawberry contains 1 million cells? Each cell has its own full set of DNA. Let's gather the materials. 3 to 4 strawberries, previously frozen and thawed are best. Small plastic baggie. Wooden coffee stirrer. Coffee filter. Glass stirring rod. Test tube. 2 beakers. Isopropyl alcohol, very cold. Dish soap. Table salt. Baking soda. Measuring spoons or balance. Step 1. Make buffer solution. Purpose. Break open the cell membranes while keeping the DNA intact. What to do? In a large beaker, add 200 milliliters water. Half a teaspoon, 2.5 grams, salt. 1 teaspoon, 5 grams, baking soda. 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters, liquid soap. Stir with a rod for about 1 minute until the salt dissolves. Don't worry if the baking soda doesn't fully dissolve. Set the solution aside until step 3. Step 2. Mash up the strawberries. Obtain 3 to 4 previously frozen strawberries in your plastic baggies and zip it shut. These should be soft and squishy, but likely still cold. Using your fingers, mash them up inside the bag. Don't get too aggressive, or you'll pop the bag open and need to start again. Keep mashing until the strawberries are mostly liquefied. Step 3. Mix buffer and strawberry. Pour 50 milliliters of the buffer solution into your bag of mushed strawberries and reseal it. Mash the strawberries again, making sure the buffer spreads through all the fruit. As the buffer touches the cells, it breaks open the cell walls and membranes, including the ones around the nuclei, releasing the DNA. Step 4. Filter strawberry solution. Place a coffee filter over a clean beaker and fold the edges over the sides. Pour the strawberry buffer mixture into the filter. The filter catches the large pieces while the tiny DNA, only 2 nanometers, nm, wide, passes through into the beaker. Step 5. Prepare test tube. Fill the test tube about 1/4 of the way with the strained, strawberry liquid. Set the remaining solution aside. Pour 5 to 10 milliliters of cold isopropyl alcohol into the test tube. You should see 2 or 3 distinct layers start to form as the hydrophobic DNA molecules repel the alcohol. Step 6. Remove DNA from test tube. Insert a wooden stirrer into the test tube so the tip rests where the 2 liquids meet. Gently twirl the stirrer. The DNA strands will gather on it, like spaghetti on a fork. After about 30 seconds, lift the stirrer to see the DNA. What we learned: DNA is inside every cell, even in a strawberry. The buffer breaks open the cells and releases the DNA. DNA is tiny, 2 nanometers wide, but can stretch thousands of feet. DNA can be seen with the naked eye when it clumps together. DNA carries the instructions for all living things. DNA is the blueprint of life, small, twisty, and full of information. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this experiment, like the video, subscribe to the Science Hub, and share it with your friends to keep learning science together.